Hello friends and welcome back to the Raglitan channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ExpertBook BM1. So friend, ASUS has announced the ExpertBook BM1 is a durable, reliable and versatile laptop designed to meet the demand of dynamic world of modern business and work. And the laptop boasts a robust feature set including the AMD Ryzen 7 processor with AMD Radeon graphics, up to 64 GB of memory and GBA storage option, and its vibrant display with a tall 16:9 aspect ratio enhance the visual experience and designed for seamless connectivity. It supports up to Wi-Fi 6E and offers comprehensive range of I/O port. Additionally, the ExpertBook BM1 is built to military-grade durability standards and incorporate an eco-conscious design reflecting the ASUS commitment and sustainability and accountability durability standards and incorporate on eco-conscious design. And the ExpertBook BM1 is equipped with AI features including AI noise cancellation technology and Copilot in Windows, plus a screen watermark feature to protect data privacy on screen, and webcam watermark feature to display business card details such as a participant name, position, company and contact information with a QR code, and the allow attendants to become quickly acquainted, leaving a strong impression and facilitating smooth communication. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.